marbles eyebrow thing, eh?
Hi, happy birthday, Tanya. I just want to wish you a happy birthday. And I have a song for you that I kind of made up.
Oh God!
It's
Now
pretty
she's looking like
special.
Michael Jackson.
It comes from the bottom of my heart. I spend a lot of time alone, and I think about my friends. You being a real special friend, I thought I'd sing a song. And I wrote it, it kind of goes like this. Just a minute, I just have to wet my whistle a bit. Okay. Happy birthday, Tanya. You're special to me. You are really special